Hello everyone to my podcast. I'm Shweta W. Somo. I'm running a project in Australia called Beautiful, and I'm here to empower the women around the world. Today I welcome with me Tanya Mehra to talk about the struggles that the youth have in their relationships and how to deal with it. Over to you, Tanya. How are you doing?
I'm good, Shweta. How are you?
I'm great. So, what are your views on the relationship side of things with the youth? Why are they even focused there? Should be the question.
Today's topic is about relationship.
Hmm.
So, what's your first question, Shweta?
First of all, whether or not youth should be involved in relationship, and if they are, how to deal with the pressure that they have. I'm talking about the youth between 20 and 30 years old, because that's the time they need to settle their career, and I don't think relationship should be clashing at that stage of their life. I think the ideal time for them to get into the relationship should be after they start earning and they are well settled in their career. So, what is your outlook on that?
Yeah, Shweta, my outlook on that is actually, yes, being a parent, being an advisor, we always say don't go into relationship until you start earning. But this is not the truth. Everybody knows. People go in a relationship way before that, even when they are in schools. But the major thing is, see, if you don't want distraction, if you wanted to grow in your life, never go early. Some couple I have noticed, they are very good in relationship. They know how to maintain their relationship between like their personal life, social life, and
Work life.
as a student as well when they are like studying.
Yeah.
So work. So because if you're saying 20s, in 20s, people, like most of the teenagers, they're still in their unis, they're still studying, they're still looking for a career path, they're still struggling. And in that struggle, if you find a right partner, that struggle can become very easy.
Yeah.
But most of the time, that's not the scenario. Most of the time, boys and girls fall in love with the wrong person. Wrong person in the sense, not compatible.
Mm.
It's just the attraction. It's not a love. Most of the time, youth thinks that, oh, this is my true love. But sometimes true love lasts just 6 months,
Few
and
days.
then they find another true love. They think, yeah.
The chain of
So
true love goes on
actually, they are
continuing.
hunting for a true love.
Yeah.
Exactly. So कहने का मतलब मैं यही बताना चाहूंगी कि this is not the love as all the advisors, like experienced people, say it's just a hormonal thing, so there is no such true love, but there is a love as well. I have seen lots of couples, they are they've been in relationship when they are in schools, and they are still doing pretty well, and they got married after that because their relationship was so truthful, so honest, and they were so compatible. So मैं रिलेशनशिप के बारे में यही कहना चाहूंगी, during this age, I think if you find a right person who is uplifting you, who is supporting you
In your
I
career.
think then you can think about relationship for a longer, who is helping you with your career and walking, how do I say that, जो तुम्हारे साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चले, these types of things, if you notice in your partner, I think there is no harm, but if you think your relationship is kind of not good, like toxic relationship, so it's very difficult to come out, especially for the women,
Hmm.
because हम औरतों को टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप को अंडरस्टैंड करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, because most of the women, they want like a filmy kind of relationship,
Yeah.
you know, happy ending, जो कि
Yeah.
आजकल बहुत कम देखने को मिलती है. हम लोग
Absolutely.
अपने ही ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में होते हैं. हम
Yeah.
सोचते हैं यार यही परफेक्ट पार्टनर है, यही परफेक्ट है, जबकि ऐसा परफेक्ट जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है. थोड़े दिन के बाद सब कुछ फेड हो जाता है, यू नो.
Hmm.
बट मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी, आई डोंट वांट टू डिस्करेज पीपल टू गो इनटू रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज समटाइम्स आई हैव सीन रिलेशनशिप कैन मेक यू एज अ बेटर वुमेन, यू नो.
Yeah. They do.
समटाइम्स मैंने नोटिस किया है, मैं वुमेन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात कर रही हूँ, गाइज आर सो गुड, so helping, and the women are doing pretty well with them, you know, along with their relationship. And I always admire that type of relationship where husband or boyfriend is supportive, you know.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And आज की डेट में श्वेता, मैंने ये देखा है, हाँ, आज की मैंने देखा है कि आजकल के जो आदमी लोग हैं, they are more supportive, whereas being a woman, we need to understand, we have to respect that male, you know, rather than taking him granted. Because
Yeah.
most of the women I have seen that they are taking granted their boyfriends because they are so nice to them.
Yeah.
I think whereas the women need to understand, if you found a true love, which you think it's a true love, please respect, you know, don't set boundaries around him,
Yeah.
you know, don't be bossy, just be cooperative.
I think this is
You
going
know?
to be the best podcast on love. Like, your words are so precious.
Yeah. So बस यही है, अपने जो पार्टनर है उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करें अगर आपको अच्छा पार्टनर मिल गया है. एंड इफ इट्स अ टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप, गाइस, ट्राई टू कम आउट ऑफ immediately rather than waiting, because toxic relationship कभी ठीक नहीं होता है. वो उल्टा वर्स होता जाता है, वर्स होता जाता है. मैं बताऊंगी, एक किस्सा सुनाती हूँ. One girl, she was in a relationship with a toxic guy. टॉक्सिक गाय भी ऐसा था कि पहले जबान से शुरू हुई, फिर उनके हाथ चलने लग गए. कहने का मतलब, इट बिकम सो वायलेंट, एंड जिसके अंदर लड़की को काफी ब्रूजेस आए. उस लड़की को हमें उस चंगुल से निकालना बहुत भारी पड़ गया, बिकॉज वो काफी देर तक एक्चुअली वो सदमे में थी, ट्रोमा में थी. वो समझ ही नहीं पा रही थी कि उसके साथ हो क्या रहा है. वो, हम इंडियन वुमेन क्या होती है, स्पेशली इंडियन वुमेन, हम अपने प्यार को हम वक्त देते हैं कि चल आज इसने गलती कर दी, आज इसने कुछ बोल दिया, माफ कर दिया, यू नो, फॉरगिवनेस. हम लोगों में आदमियों से थोड़ी ज्यादा होती है फॉरगिवनेस, कि चल कल सुधर जाएगा, परसों सुधर जाएगा, तरसों सुधर जाएगा. बट वो सुधरता नहीं है. समटाइम्स क्या होता है, वो वर्स होता जाता है, एंड इट एंड अप एज अ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस, एंड बहुत ही मतलब नास्टी एंडिंग होती है ऐसे रिलेशनशिप की. कोशिश करनी चाहिए